It's Wednesday. I decided to start filming today and not on Saturday or Sunday. So I have just finished my work. I'm boiling some green lentils. I'm going to make the best salad ever. I will show you what you need for it in a second. And I just wanted to tell you that I told you last time that my job is pretty exhausting to me, and I feel like this every day, so I feel pretty low in energy after my working hours. So I don't have much power and much will to draw anything, and I try to draw at least one spread of my sketchbook a week. So I would like to draw a bit today. I painted yesterday. I will show you what I did. And as you saw a minute ago, I was digging into this app. It's called Artset 4. It's for iPads, I think, exclusively. And it allows you to imitate oil paints, all these effects, not like Procreate, but even better. So I don't know, I have painted with oils only once. I liked the process, but not really the result. I love how voluminous oils are on your canvas or anything you draw on. But it's very dirty work, of course. And moreover, I don't have many paints with me as I'm traveling. So I have only my pastel gouache set, which is very good. I love the quality, but the packaging is pretty small, so soon I will need some new ones, but I have no idea where to get this pastel set. So I think I will buy myself a regular gouache set. We'll see. Again, we'll see. So yeah, this app is free, and then you can, as with Procreate, you can buy it once and forever. So it's not the Adobe horror machine. And yeah, if you are really into painting with oils or a couple of other materials, there are some, but oils are the best imitation. You should definitely get this app. I think that's a good recommendation. if you can recognize this person. Yes, all of these illustrations are one person. Maybe you recognize this one, but anyway, this is an actress, Emma Darcy. She played Rhaenyra Targaryen in House of the Dragon, and I'm obsessed with the character and with her acting skills, and with her as a persona, because I was very surprised to find out that she's actually so bunk, she's so extra. I love her very much, and it seems to me that I look a bit like her, so it is flattering to me. And yeah, I couldn't resist and drew her with colored pencils and also Posca markers, Posca pens. So the base layer in each portrait is Posca pens, and after that I defined the lines, the line work and details with colored pencils. So I think this one looks the most like her, this one looks the most like the character, and this is just my favorite. She now has this beautiful red short hair, and I'm thinking now of getting the same haircut, or maybe this kind of haircut, because again it seems to me like I look a bit like Emma. So the salad, sorry for the mess, my husband is responsible for cleaning it. So here what we have in the salad, I have cooked some green lentils, I added some spinach and tomatoes and also bell pepper. Then the secret and most important ingredient here is mango. So we add some mango. And of course the sauce, we need a sauce. So here is tahini with some, it's too thick. So tahini with some lemon juice, salt and water to make it a bit thinner. No, a bit more. And that's all. By the way, you can replace mango with some apples if you want. So I add the sauce. I don't need pork anymore. And if you're a vegan like me, you of course use lots of seeds. So I have some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. They're very, very dirty. Wholesome and good for your health. And of course I add some dried greens along with the spinach. I add also some dried greens. Oh yes, and I really love adding some, what's that in English? Dried garlic. So it's garlic. Yeah. So this salad, for my taste, is a brilliant combination of sweet and sour and a bit of bitter tastes because of the tahini. It gives this bitterness. And yeah, that's actually all. So this is my beautiful lunch. I'm gonna go eat it and watch some Steven Universe. Hello, it's the evening of Sunday. So, vlog from this week wasn't very informative, I think, but I hope at least it was a bit entertaining. So, I stopped recording like 3 days ago because actually nothing special was happening. And for the whole weekend we've been doing nothing at all. I haven't drawn anything and I'm still tired of people. But yesterday I went anyway to the party. We were playing board games all day long. It was parties and people are always exhausting for me. So yeah, today I wanted to relax from people and we stayed home with my husband. We watched Game of Thrones and we went shopping. So I wanted to show you quickly what I've bought and then finish the vlog. So the first thing I've got is this hairspray, texturizing salt spray. Actually, what is so exciting about it, I was looking for it for this any kind of salt spray back in my home city for a month, I think, a couple of months, no, half a year ago. And I ended up not having any because I couldn't find any kind of it. And here I just came to a random eco store and found this one. So I hope it's good and it will help me maintain my curls that are not natural for my hair, but I hope it will help me pretend they are. Also, I finally got some full-fat coconut milk. I will make some curry tomorrow. Yes, I'm super happy about it. I have been missing curry so much. Last time I ate it was a couple of months ago when I was at home, so before our travel. Also, we got some coffee. That's just regular coffee. It's called instant coffee with addition of ground Colombian blend. We've never tried this one, so let's see if it's good or not. Also, I've got some 4-grains noodles, which is very good. I'm going to cook it right now with the sauce made from peanut butter and this beautiful Korean seasoned soybean paste. So you cannot live in Bishkek and never try Korean things. So I really wanted to try this fully plant-based soybean paste, and it is very good. It's a bit spicy, pretty sour, but I like it very much, and it like beautifully, perfectly suits the dish with any kind of peanut sauce. So yeah, in a couple of minutes I hope I will cook everything and finally be full, because I've been hungry. We have been walking around the city looking for the shop that my husband had seen once and he couldn't remember where it was, but finally we found it and bought some beautiful stuff. So thank you for watching my new vlog. I hope you liked it, and you can leave your comment on what you want to maybe see. If you want me to draw more or to speak about my life more, maybe I can tell you about my vegan life here or anything you want me to film, or just like the video and it would be very nice of you. So I'm done. Thank you again. Have a nice day and I hope I see you next time.